Hello guys, so many photographers do find it difficult when it comes to whitening the eye and making it look realistic. So on this video I'm going to help you on that, to show you how to whiten the eye to make it look realistic. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So what I do advise you use when it comes to whitening the eye is the vibrance. So once I click this vibrance, I'm going to desaturate it to 70, so minus 70. So after desaturating it, I'll just come and invert this layer mask by clicking Command I to invert it. So you pick on your brush and make sure the hardness is at 50. So after that, you just start brushing and make sure the foreground is at white to unveil what is on this black layer mask. So I'll just brush it. You can now see how it's looking. I'll just brush this part as well. So I'll do this and this. So you can now see it's looking really realistic. So this is the part that it has been added on. You can now see it's looking realistic. But if your picture, the eye is kind of still not shining, you can come to this brightness. Make sure you match these two layers together, like the vibrance and the brightness. So anywhere I take this brightness to, can now see it's only affecting just the eye. So if your image, the eye is still kind of dark, because this image, if I just keep it at 7, it's okay. But just if it's still dark, you can just shift it out a little. So just a little is fine. But in this video, let me just click 5. 5 is okay. So this is the before and after. So this is how to whiten the eye and make it look realistic in Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial. For now, see you in the next video.